Ever wondered why knowing your BMI can be a game changer? In the next few seconds, you'll discover exactly how to measure it and why it matters. First, grab a measuring tape and a scale. Measure your height in meters and your weight in kilograms. After measuring the two, divide your weight by your height in meters squared. The formula is weight divided by height squared. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms and your height is 1.75 meters, 70 divided by 1.75 squared equals 22.9. You have your BMI number, but wait, why is this crucial? A healthy BMI ranges from 18.5 to 24.9. It helps track your fitness progress, monitors your risk for diseases like diabetes and heart conditions, gives you a quick health snapshot. This number helps you know if you're underweight, normal weight, or overweight. An easy way to stay on top of your health. So, take 2 minutes to measure your BMI today. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more health tips.